Nako po, Department of Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla gustong i-abolis ang Sangguniang Kabataan. Hello, good morning. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Pobreng Mapalad Vlog. So, time check, 10 o'clock in the morning, September 9. So, panibagong araw, panibagong biyaya, panibagong pag-asa, of course, panibagong vlog, mga kapobre. So, for today's vlog, mga kapobre, ay pag-usapan muli natin barangay at SK election. So, latest update po. Department of Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla gustong i-abolish ang Sangguniang Kabataan or SK. Panoorin natin to, mga kapobre.
If I were to make a personal, and I take this as a personal recommendation, I would rather that the SK be abolished because of the trend that it continuously goes down in participation and the barangay captains take over. I would rather that the SK chairman be appointed, and for those non-performance be replaced by someone else. That's just a personal opinion, sir.
Well, short of abolishing the SK, what is your department doing to address this problem?
Sir, every year...
it appears to be a very big problem.
It's a huge problem, sir.
Yes.
It's a huge problem. Every year, we have an accounting of those who are still participating and not, and we constantly monitor it and make recommendations. As far as the real politic goes, it is up to the SK chairman to report to us directly and make allegations directly for us to act on it. And even that, they are scared to do. That's why the real politic of the situation, for me, and this is only my opinion, should be changed, that the youth councils would be better if it were constituted by the barangay captain themselves and having the non-performance replaced immediately.
So yun po, kung si Secretary John Vic Remulla ang masusunod ay gusto niyang i-abolis ang Sangguniang Kabataan, kasi nga parang nakulangan si Secretary Remulla sa performance ng ating mga Sangguniang Kabataan, at gusto niya na yung Sangguniang Kabataan chairman ay i-appoint na lang ng barangay captain, para mas madali daw palitan pag nakitang walang masyadong performance or ginagawa, ay replace immediately daw. So yun ang sabi na Secretary John Vic Remulla, at delikado yan dahil nga secretary siya sa DILG. Baka i-propose niya yan sa presidente, at delikado yan. Sabagay, kailangan pa yan ng pagbabago sa ating saligang batas. Medyo mahaba-haba pa yan, pero kung si Secretary John Vic Remulla ang tatanungin, ay gusto niyang i-abolish ang SK. Pero sa totoo lang, mga kapobre, hindi lahat ha, pero karamihan sa mga SK ay masyado pa po silang walang alam sa pamamahala. Kasi yung iba, mga bata pa. Kasi pwede, pag 18 years old ka na, pwede ka nang tumakbo pagka SK. So sa ganong edad po ay may marami po, hindi naman lahat, may mga iba rin na, may mga ilan rin na 18 years old, pero kung mag-isip, kung gumawa, kung magtrabaho bilang SK chairman ay magaling din. Meron ding ibang na madaling matuto, pero karamihan po ay dependent sa mga kapitan. Yung mga gawain dapat sana sa SK ay ginagawa ni kapitan. So nagdepende sila ni kapitan, kaya yun ang siguro nakita ni Secretary John B. Cremulya. Pero may marami din namang magagaling na SK chairman. So yun lang siguro ang obserbasyon ni Secretary John B. Cremulya. Kaya humantong kaya siguro naisipan niyang i-abolish ang Sangguniang Kabataan. So yun po ang ating update. Abang-abang lang mga kapobre. Ko siguro hindi magtagal magdesisyon na yung Korte Suprema sa petisyon ni Attorney Macalental. So hanggang sa huli mga kapobre. Magandang umaga, bye-bye. Ingat and God bless.